You hang your hope on Monday mornings, coffee cup and crooked smile. Tell them I'm just tired lately. Change the subject, change your style. You laugh too loud at quiet questions. Hide your hands so they don't shake. You circle all the little failures, blame yourself for every break. These quiet wars I'm fighting in my head, in my skin. Every breath a broken promise. Every day I start again. I bleed when no one's looking, but I'm still on my feet. These quiet wars I'm fighting won't be the end of me. You make a joke, they call you fearless. You nod and stare down at your phone. Scroll through lives that look so certain. Wonder why you feel alone. You memorize their expectations, wear their words like heavy clothes. But in the mirror something's shifting. There's a softness growing bold. These quiet wars I'm fighting in my head, in my skin. Every breath a broken promise. Every day I start again. I bleed when no one's looking, but I'm still on my feet. These quiet wars I'm fighting won't be the end of me. If they only knew how loud it gets inside, how many times I've broken and still refuse to hide. If a heart can crack and still keep time, then maybe all this breaking is how it learns to shine. Oh, these quiet wars I'm fighting, I am more than every scar, every tear I never mentioned became a map of who we are. I bleed when no one's looking, but I'm on my knees. These quiet wars I'm fighting won't be the end of me. Softly now I'm breathing, one small truth at a time. All these quiet wars I'm fighting turn to peace that feels like mine.